In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a monster can like any of these. First, get an empty can, which may or may not be a can of Monster, and rinse the inside clean. Then, use an X-Acto knife to cut a line along the center of the can. Be very careful with this step and wear gloves to protect your hands if necessary. Once you've cut a line halfway through the can, crush the back a bit and fold the can backwards to open it up. Then, get some air-dry clay and pull it into a rope. Press the clay along the border of the can that you just cut. Again, wear gloves if necessary and be very careful. Get another piece of clay and flatten it into a triangular shape to make the tongue. Use smaller pieces of clay to make the teeth of the monster and let everything dry overnight. Once the clay is dried, use hot glue to make streaks along the can. This not only adds texture, but can also help stabilize the clay onto the can. Glue the tongue into the mouth of the monster, and also glue the teeth along the inside of the can. Add some more hot glue along the mouth to stabilize the teeth and wait for it to solidify. To decorate the can, we're going to use acrylic paint to paint on designs. You can choose whatever color combinations you want, but I'm going to be using red, black, and pink. All you need to do is paint onto the clay and hot glue however you want, and blend it out into the can so that it's better integrated. Once this is dried, you'll have a monster that you can use as a room decor.